If you wanted to travel from Earth to another part of galaxy, not in a million years, not even at the speed of the light, but just in a few seconds. Sounds impossible, right? Now imagine instead of traveling through space, you just took a small shortcut. A tunnel with one entrance at one end and the another entrance takes you to another galaxy itself. This mysterious shortcut of space and time is termed as wormhole. For decades, wormholes have always fascinated the physicists and scientists and also inspired in making movies like The Interstellar, which always raises one question: do wormholes actually exist? And if they do, can we actually travel through them and travel through the space-time? So today in this video, let's separate science from the science fiction and actually explore about this strange idea given in physics. My name is Priyanka, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. So before we understand if wormholes are real, we first need to understand what exactly are wormholes. The simplest way to understand about the wormhole is by taking a sheet of paper. Now imagine we have a point that is Earth in the universe and another point is the galaxy A somewhere in the other side of the universe. Now to normally reach from Earth to galaxy A, you will have to take a big long mission to reach galaxy A. But what if you find a shortcut? Now if you fold the paper, distance becomes almost zero between them. And here if we make a hole which acts as a tunnel, you can go from planet Earth to galaxy A just in a matter of seconds. It is important to understand something here. Wormhole isn't exactly a hole. It is a part of space. It is space. More specifically, it is a theoretical tunnel connecting from the space-time fabric itself. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, space isn't rigid. It can stretch, curve, twist, and possibly connect two distant regions through a hidden tunnel. And if such tunnel exists, the two ends don't even have to be in the same galaxy. One of the opening can be on Earth where we can reach out by that tunnel billions and billions of light years away in some other galaxy. But where did this whole idea of wormhole come from? Although wormhole sounds like science fiction, it is actually a real theory. In the year 1915, Albert Einstein introduced his revolutionary theory of general relativity. It explained about gravity in a completely new way. Instead of gravity being an invisible force, Einstein said that massive objects bend fabric of space-time. Imagine placing a heavy bowling ball on trampoline. The trampoline curves downwards. Now roll a smaller ball nearby. The smaller ball naturally moves towards the bowling ball. Not because the bowling ball is pulling it, but because the space-time itself is curved. That's exactly how the gravity works. Space-time bends around the massive objects like sun, planets and the black holes. A few years later, in the year 1935, Einstein and another physicist named as Nathan Rosen asked an interesting question. If gravity can bend space, could it bend so much that it connects two completely different regions of the universe? Their mathematics suggested that such a bridge was theoretically possible, and today we call it the Einstein-Rosen bridge. This was the first scientific model that was proposed and is called as wormhole. Now let's understand how the wormholes actually work. To understand this, let's first understand what is space-time. Most of us think that space and time are two different things, but they are literally woven together in a four-dimensional space called as the space-time fabric. Now imagine space-time as an extremely stretchable rubber sheet. Every star that you know, every planet, every black hole, every galaxy present on this sheet. Heavy objects have more density, hence they tend to bend the space-time. Now imagine that the sheet is bent so much that two completely different locations touch each other. If a tunnel is formed between those two touching points, you wouldn't have to travel across billions of light years and you would simply enter from one end and exit somewhere incredibly far away. This doesn't mean that you are traveling faster than light through normal space. Instead, you are taking a shorter path throughout the space-time, and your distance itself has been reduced. You can imagine this scenario like you are driving around a whole mountain. Instead, you take a tunnel, which is like a shortcut from point A to point B, and you would reach there faster. Now, the real question is, do wormholes actually exist? Have scientists already found a wormhole? The honest answer is no, they haven't. Despite decades of research, no telescope, no spacecraft, and even the experiments, a wormhole hasn't been detected directly. Everything that we know about the wormhole comes from mathematics. The laws of physics helps us design a bridge for an ocean. That doesn't mean that the bridge already exists. Someone still has to build it. Similarly, Einstein's equations of general relativity allow the wormholes to exist in the universe, but we have never found one yet in the universe. But scientists have observed some of the unusual sightings in the universe, like unusual bending of the space-time fabric, but so far nothing has been confirmed. That also doesn't mean that the wormholes do not exist. It's just that we don't have any observational evidence yet. So the conclusion is wormholes aren't a science fiction. They are the real mathematical solution predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. But predicting something and proving that it actually exists are two different things. Gravitational waves were also one of the impossible things to detect, but now we know that they are real and we have observational evidences for it. Today we have measured them literally. Who knows, wormholes might also come out from the theory of the textbook and we get actual evidences and observation of a wormhole. Or maybe we'll learn that nature has chosen exactly a different path than wormhole. Right now we simply don't know about it. And in space science, we don't know isn't a weakness, but it is an invitation to just keep exploring. The universe holds countless number of mysteries and wormholes is one of them. If you liked watching this video, subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.